Today I will show you an excellent tutorial in Photoshop. We will use the fire effect on the text. So at the beginning, make your background black. Now write the text you want to use the effect. Go to the layer panel, then right click on the text layer. Click on create work path. Then click on the create new layer icon. You can see that a blank layer has been created. Select the blank layer. Then click on the filter from the menu bar. Go to render. Click on flame. If this warning dialog box open, then simply click on the OK button. Go to preset from the flame dialog box. Select default. Then click on the quality drop down box. Select fine very slow from here. Click the OK button. Wait a few seconds. Now look at your text. The fire effect is done. Thanks for watching the video.